A very good morning to all the students of class 3rd. Dear student, today we will study the 10th chapter of social science, that is means of transport, from the book Our Land, Our World. So dear student, let's start with the chapter 10, means of transport. Dear student, very first, you should understand what are the learning objectives of this chapter. So, dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you. These are the learning objectives of the chapter. Very first, you will learn about means of transport. Secondly, you will learn about roadways and railways. Thirdly, you will learn about waterways. Fourthly, you will learn about airways. And lastly, you will learn about animal transport. So, dear student, let's start the chapter. Dear student, here I am sharing my screen with you, which will help you to understand what are the means of transport. So, dear student, let's understand what are the means of transport. Dear student, means used for traveling and carrying goods from one place to another are called means of transport. किसे कहते हैं मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट को? जिनकी हेल्प से हम चीजों को, अपने सामान को एक जगह से दूसरी जगह ले जा सकते हैं, उन्हें हम क्या कहते हैं? मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट डेफिनेशन विच यू शुड लर्न. What is means of transport? So the answer is means used for traveling and carrying goods from one place to another are called means of transport. Dear student, we travel for many purposes. We go to our relatives and friends and for sightseeing or for the business. We visit some village, town or city. So we have to carry many type of goods like food, clothes, coals, petroleum, etc. Dear student, so there are different means of transport which we used on road, rail, water or air. So dear student, let's discuss these ones. So this is all about the beginning of the chapter. Dear student, let's understand first learning objective of this chapter, which is roadways and railways. Road links village, town and cities together. रोड किसको कनेक्ट करती है? सिटी को, विलेज को टाउन से एंड टाउन को सिटीज से. The most common vehicles which the people used to go village and town are bicycle, cycle rickshaw, tangas and bullock carts. So, dear student, this is very important question and I am highlighting it. What are the most common vehicles which the people used to go to village and town? So this is very important question and you should know. Which is the most common vehicle the people use to go to village and town? So the answer is these vehicles are bicycle, cycle rickshaw, tangas and bullock carts. In cities, scooter, auto rickshaw, city bus and car run on the road. Which vehicle used in the city? In the city, we use scooter, auto rickshaw, city bus and cars. In big cities, local trains run on rail round the clock. पूरे time as a circle. Big cities में क्या होता है? Rail trains चलती रहती हैं. So this is all about roads and railways. And this is the pictorial part of transport machines. This is tanga. First one is tanga. Second one is bullock cart, which we used in the village. Third one is cycle. Fourth one is auto rickshaw. Fifth one is city bus. And sixth one is local train. This is the picture of metro, जो time to time आपको travel करने के लिए big cities में मिलती हैं. The travel and carry goods to far off places, car, buses, trucks, trains are used. Car and buses are used for carry passenger. So I am highlighting it. This is very important question. Which mean of transport we use to carry passengers only? This is very important question. Which means of transport we use to carry passengers only? So the answer is cars and buses carry passengers only. Why we use trucks? We use trucks carry goods only. सिर्फ सामान को ले जाने के लिए हम कौन सा ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम यूज करते हैं? ट्रक का यूज करते हैं. दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. विच ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम वी यूज टू कैरी गुड्स ओनली? सो द आंसर इज ट्रक. And dear student, this is the pictorial part of truck and this is the pictorial part of bus. Passenger trains carry passenger and goods. Train carry goods from one place to another place. This is the passenger train जो किसको ले जाती है? Passengers को भी ले जाती है and सामान को भी ले जाती है. So this is very important. Which transport system carry passenger and goods together? So the answer is passenger trains carry passengers and goods one place to another place. So I am removing it. These are the pictorial part of bus, truck, passenger, train. And goods of train. Dear student, in modern age, people purchase their own car. Roadways are three types. How many types of roadways? There are three types of roadway. Let's discuss it. Branch roads link village and towns with city. So this is very important question. Which roadways link village and town with city? So the answer is branch roads link village and town with the cities. The second one is state highways. So dear student, again this is very important question. Which roadways connect cities and states together? So the answer is state highways are roads that link cities and state together. The next one is national highways. So the national highways are road that passes through many states, जो बहुत सारे स्टेट से होकर जाता है वो क्या होता है, नेशनल हाईवेज होता है. सो बेसिकली डियर स्टूडेंट, देयर आर 3 types of roadways. Number 1, branch roads which connect town and cities together. Number 2, state roads which connects city and state together. And number 3, national highways which pass through many states. So this is all about roadways. Let's discuss the second learning objective, which is waterways. Dear student, as you can see in the picture, this is boat, this is a steamer, and this is ship. As I am highlighting it, boat and steamers carry people and goods in the river and lake. Dear student, again, this is very important question for waterways. Which one carries people and goods in river and lake? So, dear student, the answer is boats and steamers carry people and goods in river and lake. कौन कैरी करता है सामान को और लोगों को? बोट एंड स्टीमर. ये स्टूडेंट, शिप सेल ओवर सी एंड ओशियन. दे लोड और अनलोड देयर गुड्स एट हार्बर्स और पोर्ट्स ओनली. तो शिप और सेल कहाँ होते हैं? समुद्र में, महासागर में, जो क्या करते हैं, सामान को उतारते और चढ़ाते हैं. कहाँ पर? हार्बर्स पर एंड पोर्ट्स पर. As you can see in my picture. The next learning objective is airways. Dear student, as you can see in my screen, this is the pictorial part of airways. Dear student, as you all know, aeroplanes are very fast for travel and carrying goods. So dear student, अगर आपको दूर जाना है और कम टाइम में आपको पहुंचना है, तो आप कौन से ट्रांसपोर्ट सिस्टम का यूज करते हैं? एयरवेज का. सो एयर बसेस fly in the air just as bus run on the road. Dear student, जैसे बस रोड पे चलती है, वैसे ही हवा में क्या चलते हैं? एरोप्लेन्स चलते हैं. Jet planes are the fastest. So this is again very important question. Which planes are fastest? So the answer is jet planes are the fastest. Planes land on the airport only. So dear student, as I am highlighting it, this is again very important question. Where planes lands? So the answer is plane land on the एयरपोर्ट्स ओनली. कहाँ उतरते हैं वो? एयरपोर्ट में उतरते हैं. एरोप्लेन्स, प्लेन्स एयरपोर्ट पे उतरते हैं, लैंड करते हैं. डियर स्टूडेंट, हेलीकॉप्टर आर यूज्ड टू रीच द प्लेसेस वेयर प्लेन्स कैन नॉट लैंड. डियर स्टूडेंट, तो जहां पर एरोप्लेन्स नहीं लैंड कर पाते, नहीं चलते हैं, वहां पर हम किसका यूज करते हैं? हेलीकॉप्टर का, बिकॉज वो साइज में छोटे होते हैं. दिस इज द pictorial part of helicopter as I am highlighting it. So helicopters are also used to drop food for people or pick them up during flood or earthquake. तो जब भी कोई नेचुरल डिजास्टर होता है, जैसे फ्लड हो गया, अर्थक्वेक हो गया, कोई भी नेचुरल डिजास्टर होता है, वहां पर फंसे हुए लोगों को निकालने के लिए या फिर उन तक सामान, एसेंशियल चीजें पहुंचाने के लिए, फूड पहुंचाने के लिए, उनकी जरूरत का सामान पहुंचाने के लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं? हम वहां पर हेलीकॉप्टर्स का यूज करते हैं. दिस इज द पिक्टोरियल पार्ट ऑफ हेलीकॉप्टर. They reach the mountains, peak, valleys, deserts or sea water. In mountain, we use ropeways and trolleys. क्या हम माउंटेन्स में किसका यूज करते हैं? रोपवेज का यूज करते हैं, जिससे आप एक जगह से दूसरी जगह आसानी से पहुंच जाते हैं. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट एयरवेज. सो आई एम removing the highlighted part. So let's discuss the next learning objective of the chapter, which is animal transport. Dear student, as you can see in my screen, in hilly areas, ponies and mules are used to carry goods and people. तो हिली एरिया में आप किसका यूज करते हैं? पोनी का एंड म्यूल्स का यूज करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह लोगों को और उनके सामानों को पहुंचाने के लिए. Yes, student, I am highlighting it. In hilly areas, ponies and mules are used to carry goods and people. So this is again very important. Which transport system we used to carry goods and people? Yes, student, in desert, camels are used to carry people and pull carts. A camel is called the ship of the desert. So, yes, student, this is very important question. Which animal we call the ship of desert? So, the answer is a camel is called the ship of desert. किसे कहते हैं हम ship of desert? कैमल को कहते हैं. जब हम डेजर्ट में हम किस एनिमल का यूज करते हैं एक जगह से दूसरी जगह सामान पहुंचाने के लिए? कैमल्स का यूज करते हैं. एलिफेंट आर यूज्ड टू मूव लॉग्स एंड पीपल इन थिक फॉरेस्ट. जो थिक फॉरेस्ट होते हैं वहां पर लकड़ियों को और लोगों को पहुंचाने का काम कौन करता है? एनिमल करता है. एनिमल्स के थ्रू हम ये काम थिक फॉरेस्ट एरिया में करते हैं. द लास्ट वन इज स्लेज डॉग. स्लेज डॉग की राइड्स का हम कहाँ पर यूज करते हैं बच्चों? स्नो कवर एरिया में हम स्लेज डॉग्स का स्लेज राइड्स का यूज करते हैं. स्लेज पुल्ड बाय डॉग्स आर यूज्ड. स्लेज राइड्स के लिए हम किसका यूज करते हैं? किस एनिमल्स का? डॉग का. सो these are very important things which you should know. The first one is in hilly areas we use ponies and mules to carry goods and people. In desert area we use to carry people and pull cart camel. A camel is also called the ship of desert. Where we use elephants? We use elephants in thick forest area and which is useful to move logs and people. Where we use sledge? We use sledge in snow covered area. And who pulled the sledge? So the answer is sledge pulled by dogs. So, dear student, this is all about animal transport. Dear student, this is all about the chapter. Dear student, we will study next chapter in our next class. And this is all about the 10th chapter that named as means of transport. Thank you.